Hello friends, welcome to Price and Pedia. It's been after a long time that I am making a video on YouTube, and this video would be simultaneously uploaded on Twitter as well. I got a few responses from the members saying that they don't get the conviction to hold the stocks, although I've been posting quite a number of stocks on the Telegram. So I just thought of making this video and doing it on a regular basis so that you guys have the full understanding of the price action and the fundamentals of the company. Definitely, video gives a better visibility. So let's continue. The first stock which I have for you guys, the name of the stock is Senores Pharmaceutical. If you look, the stock was listed at around 596. It actually formed a base for a very long time. In this base formation, we see there's a ascending triangle formation here as well. So this ascending triangle pattern, the resistance was around 619, and this resistance was broken with a gap up, and after that price is consolidating above this resistance. So clearly the stock is in stage 2 uptrend. As you guys know, my uh, preference is that all the stocks which I cover for you guys, those should be in the stage 2. That doesn't mean that I only follow technicals. Technicals are important, fundamentals are important as well, but it's just that I follow technicals first. I ensure that a stock is in stage 2 uptrend. Once I ascertain that a stock is in stage 2 uptrend, then I go to the fundamentals. So as far as this stock is concerned, we see that it is facing some sort of resistance at around 740 levels. Now what can happen here? Either it could be ascending triangle pattern which will break out and the price will go up, or it's quite possible that it might further consolidate. It might further consolidate. It could be a trading range as well. So we don't know what exactly is going to happen in the coming days. But then yes, one thing we can say with full authority is that the stock is in stage 2 uptrend. Now we know the chart structure is perfect. It's in stage 2 uptrend. Now let's go on to the fundamentals. If I go to the fundamentals of this company, the company has a market cap of around 3,300 crores. If you see, the stock P is 56.6 and ROC is 11.4 and 11.8. ROC and ROE is little less, and the P is quite high as compared to the industry P, right? But this company is so well placed that I could not ignore presenting this idea to you guys. Uh, so now let's go on to the quarterly results. Look at the quarterly results for this company. The sales have been constantly increasing, so it has clocked the highest ever sales in the quarter, which is around 138 crores. Operating profit is also highest ever, that's 34 crores. Net profit highest ever, that's 21 crores. If you look at the yearly picture, you'll get an even better understanding of what's happening in the company. Sales have gone all the way from 14 to 400 crores. So you can see from 2022 till 2025, there's a huge jump. From 2023 to 2024, we see that the sales have almost gone 5 to 6 times, and here the sales have doubled in March 2025, and they have been able to maintain a good margin of around here it was 36%, then 19%, now it's at around 23%. So margin is also good. And if I look at the FII and DII holdings, FIIs are holding around 3.6% and DIIs are holding around 9.51% stake in the company. So clearly this stock is in stage 2 uptrend and the fundamentals are also good. So this stock can be considered for sure. The second stock which I have for you guys, the name of the stock is Transrail. I had shared this stock on Telegram also. In fact, Senores was also shared on the Telegram. Uh, as far as Transrail is concerned, you see the stock got listed at around 548 levels. Then the stock tumbled all the way. It entered a downward channel. You see this downward channel formation here. The price came all the way down, and then this downward channel was broken, and an upward channel started here. You see at this point, the downward channel was broken, and then it entered an upward channel, and now the price is going in the upward channel only, right? Now, the price is exactly at the bottom of this upward channel. Now, it's quite possible that the price can bounce back from here or it can fall. It can take a support here and that's also a major support here, which is at around 686 levels. But one thing is for sure that this stock is in uptrend. It's in stage 2 uptrend as it's in the upward channel. Now, since we know that the stock is in stage 2 uptrend, we can now look at the fundamentals of this company. Let's move to the, I'm sorry, I won't be able to do detailed fundamental analysis, but I'm just giving you a sneak into this company so that you understand, you have the conviction to hold the stock. Transrail Lighting is into integrated transmission, distribution, and pole manufacturing company, and the market cap is around 10,000 crores. The stock P is quite less, 26, and the ROC and ROE is very good. It's 35.2 and 21.6. So industry P is around 46 and it's trading at a lower PE. So as compared to industry P, which is around 46, it's trading at around 26.9 PE. So clearly everything looks rosy as far as this company is concerned. Now, if I go into, let me go into the yearly profit and loss statement directly, right? See, in 2020, the sales were around 1,800 crores. Right now, the sales are at around 5,308 crores. So, highest ever sales in 2025 financial year. And on the trailing 12-month basis, its company is absolutely on track. And this year also, they will clock a highest ever sales that have been recorded in this company. And if you look at the profit after tax, it all the way from 121 crores, it's at 467 crores, and TTM is around 537 crores. TTM means trailing 12 months. That means the present situation. That means in the next financial year in 2026, it's expected that it will clock around 537 crores. Although I expect it to clock around 580, 590 crores. So it's just a modest figure of 537 crores, right? So and then if I go into the promoters, they're holding 71%. FIIs have actually increased their stake. They have the highest stake ever. It's around 1.43%. And DIIs have also maintained their stake at around 12.44%. So guys, this is Transrail. The company is in stage 2 uptrend and the fundamentals are fantastic as far as this stock is concerned. So I hope that builds the conviction. Now, the next stock which I have in mind is Unominda. As far as Unominda is concerned, uh, it's into automobile sector, right? So I won't be doing any fundamental analysis of this stock because this stock is already listed in the FNO space, and the company is very good. So let's try to understand what exactly is happening in the stock as far as the price structure is concerned. If you look at this price structure, you see this is a range which is almost around 294 bars, so almost is 1 year trading range, right? So this 1 year trading range where the resistance we see at around 1206 levels. So this resistance got hit here and the price came down, hit here and the price came down, and then it could not even touch this resistance. So the stock was very weak. This was the time when nobody was interested in the stock. So no big hands were in the stocks, right? And then after forming 1, 2, and 3 and 4 bottoms here, price finally went up. It consolidated near this resistance and then a breakout, right? If you see this breakout, this looks very fantastic. It saw a gap up opening and it finally broke this resistance. Now the price is consolidating above this resistance. Clearly, the stock has entered the stage 2 uptrend. Now, how do we play this stock? Now, there are two ways to play this stock. Either you can enter here or you can wait for the price to break this resistance. Once the price breaks this resistance, then you can enter. Your stop loss should be, if you're just a short-term investor, then the stop loss should be around 1171, or if you're a long-term investor, then the stop loss should be around 1016. Stop loss is very important. It should be kept in the system, not in the mind. Stop loss will prevent you, although you might see losses as well, but in the long run, stop loss always helps you, and it is the best way to avoid losses in the stock market. So don't shy from keeping the stop loss in the stocks which you buy, right? Next stock is Cummins India. Again, I won't be doing any fundamental analysis of this stock because this is a fantastic company. There's no need of doing any fundamental analysis of this company. It's a fantastic company and it's in the capital goods sector and the price is in stage 2 uptrend. And as you see here, it's a very narrow channel. Narrow channel, if you go into the higher time frame, it will be a breakout in the higher time frame like a weekly time frame or a monthly time frame. So very tight upward channel you see here and the price is going very fast and there is no there's no big supports and big resistances here. So what's happening here is that the price right now is at the bottom of this channel. It just consolidated here. It's at the bottom of this channel, and I'm quite sure that the price will take the support here, and price can go up. Right, price can go up to the top of the channel, then down, then up, then down, then up, and I expect that this stock can definitely do well in the coming days. As far as the stop loss is concerned, you can keep a stop loss below this level, which is around 3741 levels if you are a short-term investor. And if you're a long-term investor, then your stop loss should be at around 3485 levels. Don't forget the stop loss, that's very critical. Okay, now Cummins India is looking perfect. So I hope this builds the conviction and you can just open the chart yourself and try to understand the price structure. Based on my opinion, you can try to understand this stock as well. The last stock which I have today is TVS Motors. Now, the the automobile sector is actually doing very good. Now, this company, TVS Motor, I won't be doing any fundamental of this because it's an excellent company. There's no need of doing fundamental analysis. The company has been posting excellent results, although I saw those things in the screener. But I just don't want to make the video very lengthy by giving you the fundamental analysis as well here. So let's straight away go to the chart and try to understand what's happening in the chart. So this range which you see, which is formed here, it's almost a 1 year range. So this 2981 was a major resistance here. It was the all-time high of the stock, and you see what happened here. A bearish engulfing happened here, and the price tumbled, and tumbled all the way down. And here it formed a double bottom. This was the first bottom, and this is the second bottom. This double bottom formation, and the price consolidated near the resistance. So guys, what's the learning here? Whenever price consolidates near the resistance, it's always something is cooking in the stock. So here the price consolidated near the resistance, was a very tight consolidation here, and then you see the price broke out. And look at the volumes here. Volumes are huge. So there's a very little doubt that this stock will not do well in the coming days. This stock can do quite well in the coming days, and I expect that it will give you at least around 40 to 50% returns, or maybe more in a year or so, right? So if you see this red candle here, this big red candle, that was in the whole of the automobile sector. I think it happened on Thursday. If you see all the stocks in the automobile sector, all of them had this red candle. After that, we saw a gap up opening, and this red candle has been negated by uh, this green candle or the blue candle, whatever you see here, right? So the stock has entered stage 2 uptrend here, and I expect that it will continue going up. So as far as the stop loss is concerned, you can keep a stop loss at around 3200 levels if you are a short-term investor, and if you're a long-term investor, then the stop loss should be at 2912 levels, right? So guys, this is the analysis from my side. I covered around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks for you. I hope this discussion and this video will enable you guys to get conviction in the stocks, and you will be able to hold these stocks. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not holding any of these stocks. Okay, my portfolio is, I'm already invested in the stock, so I have my funds are all exhausted, so nothing left to invest in any new stock. So, but then I bought these stocks for you. It's in no way a recommendation for you guys. You can just do your own analysis or consult your advisor, and that might help you even more, right? So guys, this is my Twitter account here. If you see, I hope you have been watching this Twitter account. I do post a lot of ideas here on the Twitter, and uh, and those ideas are further filtered in the Telegram channel. So whatever ideas I present in my my Twitter account, out of those ideas I pick up the best ideas, and those best ideas are posted in the Telegram. And further filtration is would be done on those ideas, and the super best ideas, they will be posted in the YouTube or on the Twitter video. So do watch out for these videos in the coming days. Thank you very much for your time and your support throughout. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye and good luck.